Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to create a Fiverr gig that sells. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So for us to get started, what you can do is go to your browser, any browser that you have, and go to fiverr.com. When you will go to fiverr.com, what you can do is create your account first. And then what you can do here is that once you have created your account, you can go ahead and start creating a gig. What you just need to do is to follow or fill out all these informations here. Where for the overview, you just need to fill out your um, name, your what offers or what skill you offer for this type of platform, and also as well as the pricing as well. You will be setting that up here. For example, how much your rate is for a specific project. And another here, or the third step, would be creating a description. So you will be describing on what type of work or what type of skill you offer, that they would choose you for that specific project. And here are some of the requirements that they will ask, where you can add a few questions, where what questions you want to answer or you want to obtain from your customers or clients before they will be able to proceed with creating your project. So once you have created a question, you just click on add and go ahead and click on save and continue. And there you have it. Now that you have your account profile changed, you can upload your gallery. For example, you will be downloading a sample video of your work. For example, since this is the work that I'm focusing on here is voiceover through YouTube, so you can have an image on some of your experiences or your projects that you have went through. So here are some of the tips as well, or the instructions on how to get most of your gig image. So this is very important since this is what your clients or what the customers will be able to see once they are looking for talents or actors, voiceover actors for a specific project. So here are some of examples as well on how you will be creating your gig image. So it's like you are advertising yourself so that you will be able to gain a lot of clients for your project. So the more clients you have or greater profit that you will gain for this project. Here, so you can add a before and after result if you are focusing on image editing or video editing. You can simply incorporate that here as well, depending on what type of skill you are selling here. You can definitely add that. So you can just close the instructions, and now you can start uploading your image and also downloading your videos as well. And you can also add a document so your clients will be able to see your sample works. So once all of these informations have been filled out, you can go ahead and click on publish, and your work or your gig will now be posted into your account or into Fiverr for clients to see, and for you to have your potential clients in the future for you to work on. But just to inform you, before we are going to go into this page, you will actually be able to there's a few steps before you will be able to create a gig here. So first thing is that you can go into your profile here on the dashboard. These are a few informations on how to become the top seller here on Fiverr, and you will also need to create your profile before you will be starting creating a gig. So here you can see that I have the draft of the gig that we created earlier on the first part of the video. And here on your profile, you will actually need to fill out these informations before you will be able to start a gig for new users or new accounts here on Fiverr. So you, from your address to what your description is, or what your profile is for this. So the first thing that you will do as well before you will go is that you will also indicate on what skills you offer. They will ask for your educational background as well, so that in this way your clients will have or will be able to gain trust on their projects for that specific task. So here you can see that there are a lot of offers or that they will that you can take advantage. So from graphics and designs, you can go to digital marketing. You can even have writing and translations if you are really good at writing. You can also have video and animation rather if you are have skills with editing videos and a lot more. So here are also some of the examples of the works or the popular works for video and animation. So if you click one of those tabs, you can definitely enjoy or browse on what are the different works or products of the other Fiverr Gig talents as well. So you can start with, or you can simply just go to your browser, search on Fiverr, and then create account. And once done, you can just simply go ahead and create your account and create a gig so that you will be able to start your gaining profit using your talent. So if you are good at designing, you can definitely use Fiverr for that. Or if you have a really good voice modulation, you can definitely use Fiverr as well. And if you are good at writing, that's also there is also a place for you here when you are using Fiverr. So a good thing here as well in Fiverr, you can also link your social media accounts. And if you do have other certifications as well, you can definitely incorporate that as well here on Fiverr. So here there are categories. You can learn more about what Fiverr is and the support as well if you need help or if there's any issues with your Fiverr account. And that's how you simply create your Fiverr gig, and that's how you will be able to make profit as well here on Fiverr. And that's how you do it. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.